वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद।
For the dictation, start. Sir, our constitution has also emphasized this composite character of our culture. Full stop. The language which is going to be the official language of the Indian Union. It has been laid down in the constitution will reflect the diversity of our composite culture. Full stop. There is no attempt anyway at establishing unanimity. Full stop. From this point of view, the attempt to reorganize the state, reorganizing the differences which existed, is a move in the right direction. Full stop. It is a wise and statesmanlike move. Full stop. The essence of statesmanship is not to do something according to formula. Full stop. Something may be ideal on paper, but when we face certain facts, the essence of statesmanship is to face these facts and to recognize the differences or the diversities or the difficulties which exist, and then to find a solution in which these difficulties, these diversities and these differences may be reconciled. Full stop. Para. The present bill takes a further step in that direction, but my regret is that this bill did not form part of the state's reorganization bill. Full stop. If the proposal contained in this bill had been presented as a part of the general proposals in the state reorganization bill, perhaps this extra attention which has been paid to the particular problems discussed in this bill would not have been given. Full stop. So much time and attention would not have been consumed over this question if we are dealing with a larger number of problems. Full stop. When we look into the totality of the situation in India, we look at the problems in a general way, but when we isolate one particular problem from the general totality of the particular and look at only one isolated problem, there is always a risk, there is always a danger, that we might exaggerate the importance of some particular items. Full stop. One of the reasons why there has been so much discussion over this rather small bill, as the Honorable Minister described it, is because it has been isolated from the general picture of the reorganization of Indian state. Full stop. Para. With regard to the particular proposals which have been made, sir, I do not wish to speak at length at this late state. Full stop. These are, in essence, the result of discussions and, shall I say, if not complete agreement, at least the reduction to a minimum of the differences are exist between the different groups. Full stop. The various demands and counter demands, the different states that use of the term state in the connection is somewhat unfortunate. Full stop. If we had talk of provinces instead of states, there would have been less a feeling on this issue, but, be that as it may, these demands of the different states have been before the country for number of years, full stop. After great deal of discussion over this particular bill, comma, we have come to what may be regarded as more or less agreed settlements, full stop. The Bengal government had made certain demands, comma. The Bihar government had made certain demands, comma. Perhaps in a case like this, comma, it would have been better if these demands had not been made publicly in that particular manner, full stop. It might have been better if the government had discussed it among themselves, comma. But whatever that be, comma, the State Reorganization Commission took into consideration all the recommendations, comma, all the demands, comma, all the claims and counterclaims of the different states, comma, and they made certain recommendations with regard to the transfer of certain territories from Bihar to Bengal in the northern region and certain territories from West Bengal to Bihar, full stop era. So far as the territories in the north are concerned, comma, unfortunately, comma, as the Honorable Home Minister stated today also, comma, there was defect in the proposal of the States Reorganization Commission, comma, but my honorable friend, comma, Pandit Kunjuru, who is absent today, comma, made a very clear in his speech before the House that that mistake had arisen because the commission had been given certain defective maps, full stop. The idea of the commission throughout was to suggest the redistribution of the territories in the northern region in such a way that West Bengal may become one compact state, full stop. They had made the particular recommendations which they made partly because one of the rivers in that region is continually shifting its channel, comma, and Pandit Kunjuru in the speech before this house, comma, left no doubt in the matter that if the correct maps had been before them, comma, they would have framed their recommendations in the manner which would have ensured that West Bengal was one compact state, full stop. As regards the needs of the compact state, comma, I do not have to add anything after what was shared by the Honorable Home Minister today, comma, for administrative purpose, it is essential that a state must be a compact unit, comma, because otherwise, comma, with regard to the problem of law and order, comma, with regard to the problem of movement of goods, comma, particularly with regard to the smuggling of materials and goods from India into Pakistan in this border region, comma, a state divided into two different units with another states intervening in between would face all kinds of difficulties. Stop.
अगर आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आया तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।